Good morning, students. This is Rajesh Agarwal, your English teacher. In our previous lecture, we were doing Keeping Quiet poem. We completed stanza first. Now let us do stanza number 2. It would be an exotic moment. Without rush, without engines. We would all be together in a sudden strangeness. Fishermen in the cold sea would not harm whales, and the man gathering salt would look at his hot hands. Let us see what this stanza says. Poet says that it would be a rare situation when there will be no engines working. Here he wants to say that if everything comes to standstill, it will be a very different moment. If all the engines like the vehicles and machines stop, then there will be a sudden strange situation as the world will experience a sudden calmness. People will not be in a rush to achieve material things one after another. Further, the poet says that the fishermen will also stop and not harm whales in the sea. This means that the poet is urging everyone not to harm the animals. Here he gives the example of whales, which are being hunted for the purpose of food or trade. He also wants people to calm down so that they can stop and see what they have achieved or lost. For this, he gives the example of the man who gathers salt, whose hands are hurt. Here he wants anyone to stop for a while in order to see and feel their achievements and how much they have lost for the sake of attaining such materialistic things. So this is the explanation of stanza second. Now let us see which literary devices are used in this stanza. Alliteration. Alliteration means use of consonant sounds. In we would, we can see W sound is repeated. In sudden strangeness, S sound is repeated. In his hurt hands, H sound is repeated. So we can say that alliteration is used in stanza number 2. Alliteration means repetition of consonant sounds. So I hope you understood stanza second. Now let us proceed further to stanza number 3rd. What this stanza says: those who prepare green wars, wars with gas, wars with fire, victory with no survivors, would put on clean clothes and walk about their brothers in the shade, doing nothing. What I want should not be confused with total inactivity. Life is what it is about. I want no truck with death. So this was stanza 3rd. Now see the explanation of stanza 3rd. The poet asks everyone to stop those activities which are demanding the environment. Today, all the human beings are making money by damaging the environment with their activities such as mining, deforestation, letting the chemical waste into rivers, etc. The poet asks us not to do so. He also requests people not to involve in wars, as there is no benefits of achieving such victory in which no one is left alive. He says so because wars and environmental damage will lead to no life on earth. Rather, he wants people to adopt a new approach towards life and mankind. He says that you should treat your enemy like brothers and promote peace and harmony in the world. So this is the explanation of stanza 3rd. Now let us see which literary devices are used in stanza 3rd. Number 1 is alliteration. You know the meaning of alliteration, repeated use of consonant sounds. In words with, we can see W sound is repeated. In clean clothes, C sound is repeated. So in this way, alliteration is used in this stanza. Then assonance is used, stanza number 3rd. Assonance means repeated use of vowel sounds. Use of vowel O, we can see in this line. Victory with no survivors. Would put on clean clothes and walk about with their brothers. We can see O sound is repeated in this line. So in this way, assonance is used in stanza number 3rd. Then repetition is also used. Repetition is a figure of speech in which some words are repeated time and again. Use of war is used one and more times in stanza number 3rd. In this way, in today's lecture, we completed 2 stanzas, stanza 2nd and stanza 3rd. In our coming lecture, we will cover the remaining stanzas. I hope you understood all the 3 stanzas covered by me. And if you have any type of problem, you can contact me at my WhatsApp number. This is my WhatsApp number, you can note it down. If you have any problem, you can contact me. Have a nice day.